Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a unfinished house that was recently reduced in price. It was reduced by US 200.5 thousand or Jamaican $30.8 million. This investment property is located at Buckfield, Ocho Rios. It is a spacious 6-unit apartment complex featuring 6 two-bedroom, 2-bathroom units. It sits on 0.34 acre of land and has floor space of approximately 12,000 square feet. With its ample accommodation, it offers great potential for rental income or as a vacation home for larger groups. Situated in proximity to the resort town of Ocho Rios, known for its stunning beaches and tourist attraction, this property presents a lucrative investment opportunity in a prime location. Schedule a viewing today. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US 999,500 or Jamaican $153.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.